Whenever you're ready.
All right.
Do we want to put an actual mark on Richie?
Hi team, Richard from AutoSpec here. We've been down south for the last few days. We have recently climbed Bluff Knoll. Climbing is probably a very generous word for a few of us.
How young is too young for a heart attack?
This is the day after. I thought I was going to be sore for the next few days. Turns out I'm right. We are at this magic camp spot. One thing it is lacking is a proper toilet. I'm a little concerned on doing a bit of a popper squat, and a few of us 100 kilo plus boys are probably feeling the same way. I've come up with a solution. We need one chair, toilet roll holder, toilet seat. I've got here cable ties because cable ties fix everything. I'm hoping I won't need anything else. Maybe a screwdriver to take out the board here. We'll see how we go. Come along with the journey to find the most scenic spot to be sitting on your throne for the next 12 hours, at least for us. Anyway, one more. Western Draft. Probably gonna make things a lot easier. First step is to probably take the seat off. Gonna be really hard to make this work otherwise. So we'll take the seat off and try and fashion a makeshift bracket for our throne. So held on with, what's that, 4, 5 screws, 6 screws, whatever it might be, and we'll go from there. So, first step, done. Look, if you're really desperate, you probably could make that work, but, well, it's all about creature comforts, right? We've already got the utensils, let's make it work. All right.
The lid's not closed. Can you take the top bit off?
I'm gonna have to, I think.
Yeah. No, just...
This bit? No, I want to sit back and lean back and have a
Put the lid back through the other way.
I can't.
Yes, there we go. Yeah.
In order to fashion the seat, we'll probably try and attach it somehow, like this. Hopefully not a lot of uncomfortable cable ties, to be honest. Anyway, we'll get there. No! How many times do you think I've made a shit up? Get out!
If you had asked me a few years ago what I was going to be doing with my life, it definitely wasn't making it.
So sore. This is why we're doing this. Like, you're kind of welcome. Like, that's gonna be great. It's just a bit. All right, so we've safely and securely attached the toilet seat to the structure of the chair, and now I've just got to take the lid off. So currently doing that, just like that. It's quite easy. Just take it off. That's part one. I just need to cut the tags. There you go. Super solid.
I feel like...
Yeah, moves a little bit, I'll be honest. For some structural integrity, we might put a couple more cable ties on. Every good toilet needs a toilet roll holder. Would we all agree, boys? For the sake of it looking good, let's try and carve it up. So I'm just gonna trim the edge here. Pretty happy with this.
Can we get a demo?
No demos right yet, but
You definitely wouldn't want to sit to the back of the seat.
that's what I got to put up with. I'm pretty happy with this. I've made it. It's, well, it's a bit agricultural, but look at where we are. The view is second to none. There you go. Collingwood toilet seat, obviously. What do you reckon? Could I have done any better with the tools that I've got? Probably, yeah. But the legs are going to thank me. That's it, and it should still hold away. I'm pretty happy with that. That's all right. We can tell him that I am wearing pants. It's for the sake of it.
Where are you off to, my friend?
I am off to use the that Richie has made. I've got my shovel and my toilet paper. Honestly, I don't camp like this seriously that much. I normally go to a campsite, so this is very new to me. I don't know if I'll be able to. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Do you know the process?
I should actually run through this with you. I think I dig a hole, I do it, and then I just throw the dirt back over it. I literally have never done this before. I'm scared. I'm actually scared.
All I can say is, Connor, you're welcome, mate.
Yeah, thank you.
Glad I could help.
This is well out of my comfort zone. So I don't really know what's. Yeah.
Good luck and Godspeed, my friend.
Godspeed, amen.
Look out for the bunyips.
Yeah, I don't want anything crawling on the bum. Okay, yes, yeah, I'll do this part.
Yeah, you're making this awkward.
You good to hit? Do you want me to put the camera back? I think I've got the lens.
Keep going, mate.
Okay, I'm gonna come back to sort out the camera though.